If you're a trend trader, you probably have heard about the moving average. This is one of the most popular trading indicators out there. Moving averages smooth out price fluctuations by averaging past prices over a set period. The most common types are the simple moving average and the exponential moving average. Each has its unique approach. So why are they that effective? Moving averages help traders spot trends. When price is above the moving average, it's a sign of an uptrend. And when price is below, a downtrend could be forming. They are also great for identifying reversals. A crossover strategy, for example, happens when the short-term moving average crosses over the long-term moving average, signaling a potential trend change. The beauty of the moving average is within the flexibility. Whether you're day trading or looking for long-term trends, they work on any time frame. With their simplicity and reliability and adaptability, moving averages are the go-to indicator for many traders. Remember to use them in proper context every time you apply these moving averages on charts.